Welcome back. If you test positive for COVID, you may want to postpone any surgeries you have planned. A study just out from the University of California looked at 10,000 surgery patients and found that the death rate for those who had tested positive doubled.
The researchers say doctors should inform patients of the risk and consider putting off any non-emergency surgeries they can for people who test positive.
Well, starting today, there is some financial help for families who lost loved ones to COVID. FEMA, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, will pay $9,000 in funeral expenses for COVID deaths.
The COVID-19 Funeral Assistance Program starts today, and to take advantage of it, you just call the hotline that you see on your screen right now. We're going to leave that up in case you want to write it down or take a picture of it with your phone. If you have lost someone to the virus, you can go online and apply for this funding. FEMA has done funeral payout programs like this in the past, but this will be the largest in history and the most expensive.
COVID will have to be listed on the death certificate for the families to apply. But for those families that were caught off guard by COVID, this will definitely give them an opportunity to hopefully make that application and get some financial assistance for that financial burden that they incurred.
And we stress this, the program is retroactive and it will cover any COVID funeral expenses here in the United States starting January 20th of last year all the way up until now. Now, in order to qualify, you will have to get an official death certificate, document your expenses through things like receipts or funeral home contracts, and you have to prove that you actually paid the expenses instead of getting money from insurance or some other fund.
And once you call the hotline, they will guide you through all of the steps.